So I just heard that I got a package. Let's go check it out. Where is it? There it is. Oh, yes. You guys, it is here. It is here. But we won't open it here. We're gonna open it up somewhere else where it's not so dark. But I have another surprise for you guys. That's not the only surprise. You gotta give me a second. We're gonna do some YouTube magic here in 3, 2. Alright, so we are in my car and we're gonna take a little spin. Today I got out of work and had a lot of running around to do, really boring stuff, and come home and I found something. I found a package outside my door and I've been waiting for it for a couple days now, but I have it. I have possession of it now. I'm really, really excited for this because I've been debating on whether to get this camera to have a certain type of upgrade. You'll see. I can't tell you just yet. Not just yet, but you will find out in just a moment's time. I'm heading to also a pretty sweet place too. Sit back and relax because it's gonna get real quick. All right, we're here. I just got done shooting a video which you can check out on my link down below. Just shot a video for the channel comparing the 50mm prime lens against a 24-70 zoom lens. Just got done with that and now I'm pretty excited because we are going to be unboxing the box finally. There it is.
Friendly care package inbound.
Care package received. Let's go. All right, this was the other thing I was talking about. Welcome to the office. Woo-hoo-hoo. So much space, so many YouTube videos are going to be had here. Look at this. Got a nice couch. Check out the TV. Nice sitting area right here. And then we're gonna have some desks here. And we got our little whiteboard if we need it. But yeah, so this is the other thing that I was gonna show you guys, but you guys really wanna know what's in that box. And I do too, so let's check it out. All right, you guys, got the box, got the knife. Let's see what's in this box. Opening up the box. Put that off to the side. We have a little pouch. I think you guys know what's happening. We have a lens hood. So at this point, you know this what we want to see. Get this unwrapped. Toss that aside. I feel like it's Christmas. We're in June. We have the Canon 16-35mm L series 2.8 lens. Check it out. Check it out. Woo-hoo-hoo. This is the lens I've been waiting for. I've been waiting to get for a very long time. Finally got it. Here it is. Wow. Take that back cap off. Wow. I got my 10-18mm lens on right now. I'm gonna swap it out right now so you guys can see what that looks like. See if there's a clarity difference with this lens. So this is the lens. This is the 16-35mm lens. It's at, the aperture's at 4. So we're gonna bump this all the way down to 2.8. So you can see right now with that difference. So let me go back to 4 for a second if I can. Yeah. So that's at 9. That's at 4, and that's at 2.8. So that's 2.8 in the background. We got autofocus on, we have auto ISO on, and we're shooting in 24 frames per second. This is what it looks like at 16. This is at 20. This is at 24. That's at 28. and that's at 35. So I'm really kind of close to you guys right now. So let me zoom back out to 16. Let me get a little bit closer. There we go. So yeah, guys, that's the lens that I just received from eBay. And I'm super excited to be using this lens because it's a wide angle lens. It has a better aperture than this guy right here. I'm going to be using this guy now. I'm just upgrading, you guys. It's just upgrade because I have to. I'm doing a lot of photography now. I want the best of the best quality for the clients, and I want the best quality for my YouTube. I'm super excited to be using this lens, finally upping my game. Hopefully you guys can upgrade your life too. Thanks for watching this little unboxing here of the 16 to 35 millimeter lens. I'm going to be doing a lot of test shooting with this in upcoming videos, and you'll probably just see me using this all the time at this point. It's really gonna be great for vlogging. It's gonna be good for portrait photography and weddings and events and such. So I think I'll be bouncing in between this lens and the 24 to 70 for a little bit more zoom to get a little bit closer up with the 24 to 70. But with this 16 to 35, it's great for portrait photography, especially with this aperture. I've been waiting to get my hands on a lens that has this type of aperture on it. Thanks for watching, you guys. If you want to see more from this lens, leave a comment in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching. Hit that like button if you like this video. Subscribe if you're not already, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace. I'm not gonna touch this lens because it's too nice. I'll just bake it.
Mr. Nice Guy.